In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt Chart for sales projects. To get started, log in to your Mondaycom account and open the board you want to work with. In this example, we're using a deals board. Before building the Gantt view, make sure your board includes the key columns needed to make the chart useful. These include a timeline column, status, owner or people, priority, budget, and date. Having these fields in place gives your sales team the structure needed to track deal activity clearly across time. Once you're inside Mondaycom, click on CRM to access your sales workspace. From there, go to Deals so you can open the board where your sales projects or opportunities are being managed. Next, click the plus icon to add a new view. This is where you can expand the way your board data is displayed. From the list of available views, click on Gantt. A Gantt chart in Mondaycom is a visual project management tool that places your tasks or deals on a timeline. It helps you quickly understand when work starts, when it ends, how long it lasts, and how different activities line up. For sales projects, this is especially helpful for keeping deals on schedule and spotting delays early. After the Gantt chart opens, you can adjust the timeline view depending on the level of detail you need. Mondaycom lets you sort the chart by days, weeks, months, or quarters. Click on Days in this example. The day view is useful when you want a close-up look at short-term activity, such as follow-ups, proposal deadlines, or deal stage movements that need attention right away. Then click on Weeks. The weekly view gives you a broader planning perspective and is often better for monitoring deal progress over time without getting lost in too much daily detail. This can be especially useful for sales managers reviewing pipeline pacing across a team. You can also add a filter to make the chart more focused. Click the filter option, then select Forecast Revenue in this example. This feature helps narrow the chart to records tied to revenue data, making it easier to review sales opportunities with measurable value. Next, click on Is Not Empty. This condition ensures you only see items where forecast revenue has actually been entered, which helps remove incomplete or irrelevant records from the view. Now click Apply to activate the filter. If this is a setup you plan to use regularly, click Save Filters so you don't have to recreate it each time. Using a Gantt chart for sales projects helps you visualize schedules and deadlines, identify dependencies and bottlenecks, adjust timelines easily, monitor progress across multiple deals, and keep stakeholders informed with a clear timeline. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.